Good morning, guys. Hey, it is 4:30 in the morning. I'm at Albert's house. We're about to take off on a dope journey. Stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We got the kayaks right here behind us. About to hit the road. Hey, stay tuned. It's gonna be a blast. Appreciate y'all watching. Load it up. Let's get it. Morning.
Morning.
You ready, bucko?
Yeah. 41.
Come on. I'm gonna go back here real quick. See this little back lake's about. All right, boys. Put on a little chili on. Let's see if we can find some feeding bass. A lot of mesquite bushes. Those are a lot of fun to fish. Not gonna lie. Can get hairy, but a lot of fun to fish. It's like 77 degrees, which is wild. Feels good. Just trying to find the speed they want. Oh yeah! Oh! I lost a good one, I think. Yeah. I was like, why does it keep falling? I was like, wait, that's a fish. Guys, I was flipping the jig on these. I guess this water line or something, and my jig just kept falling. I was like, there's no way it's still falling. And then I finally was like, wait, that might be a fish. Come really into it, and then sure enough it was, and I missed him. Oh well, that's how it goes. You gotta pay attention. Oh! Jig. For real. Yeah, guys, he freaking punched it. Yeah. One, dude. Holy crap. Go! Boom, bro. Short and stocky. Hey, knock slack into my line. There we go, boys. First fatty of the trip on the chatterbait. It's like a 4, freaking 19, 18 inches. Look at that dude. He might even be pushing 5, dude. Bro, I was just reeling, and next thing you know, my line just got slack. This is why I love fishing new waters, because you don't know when you're gonna get bit.
Hey, you better hold on.
So he's 19 inches. right? Let's see how much she weighs. So 19, mouth closed.
It's definitely 4.
4'2", 19 inches. Let's go. Look at that thing, dude. Freaking girthy.
Hold on. Alright, check it out. That's what we came out here for, them fat, short ones. 4-pounder. Come on.
Look at that beast.
Alright, now, dude, a 22 plus is gonna be sick. Or more.
Oh, yeah. Gosh dang it. Got him. Another nice one. Yeah. Hey, on the trailer hook. You're welcome. There we go, boys. Nice little chunker. It's been slow. Alright guys, so we just made it to the campsite. Not really camping, but hey, it's galamping. We got we got the boat ramp right there. We got a view. Hey, some nice trees. We're gonna break down, go back into town, get some more essentials. And then stay tuned guys, we're gonna cook some food. Appreciate y'all watching. I saw the charcoal in there, but I was like, I bet you that shit's expensive as hell there.
He didn't even tell me for that, right?
Really?
No.
Damn, that's badass. I'll leave this over here. Damn, you know what you forget? You got it?
What did we forget?
Some lawn chairs. Cause this is right where? No, it's right in the sun though.
Hey, we can just leave this one outside. Ain't nobody want this one.
Here, go ahead. Should fit right through, huh? So you cook the chicken right now since we're gonna be out late.
Okay, and then what are we eating later? Sandwiches or what?
I got sausage wraps we can do, sandwiches.
But are we gonna need the heat?
I got the propane grill.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Hey, you know that's right. We love them thick thighs.
Hey, I love that, yo.
Good thing I brought this because I forgot my other thing that has all the rest of the other seasoning. I was gonna only try this on a couple things, but oh well. Some burnt ass chicken, boys. This wind's making it crazy. Hey, you know that's right.
Oh, look.
Hi. Alright boys, chicken's ready. The potatoes are almost done, but I'm starving. I haven't eaten lunch. We're gonna dig in. Come on. There we go, boys. Round 6. Alright boys, it's time to rock and roll. Get on to spot number 2. Guys, one thing I'll tell you, don't get old. Do them a favor. Yeah, look what Albert spotted. If it's still intact, it might be a good collector.
Yeah, it's like a 8, a funky 8, but an 8. Probably smells like shit.
Oh, it's still got everything on it?
No.
Damn, that's still a good one. Yeah?
You can have it, yeah.
Damn, it smells like shit.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, I can smell it. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh! Alright boys, we made it back. Whew, long day on the water. Got a decent amount of fish, nothing crazy. I feel like I lost a couple big ones, but hey, that's how it goes. Tomorrow, I think we're definitely gonna get on them. Albert and I are gonna just take a relax, eat some food, and enjoy this nice breeze that's blowing in right now. It's probably the freaking coolest it's ever been at night in June, let me tell you. So appreciate y'all watching. See y'all in the morning.